So I'm going to Redondo Beach right now, and I'll vlog from there. I think I'm also gonna be the one just vlogging now because Soul's not doing it anymore. Because I guess audio was pretty bad. That's why. So I guess I'll just take over this channel. Yes. No worry, we're gonna have tons. I'm gonna have tons of content soon. So yeah. Alright, I'll see you at the beach. Alright, look at my eyes. I don't know what's happening to it, so yeah. Alright, we're at Redondo Beach. I guess I'm gonna be vlogging here the whole day for 4th of July. I don't know if I should go in the water. Yeah. Alright, I'll do the beach. Alright. I'll vlog later. It's pretty nice. Like, I'm gonna give you a view, like I'll give you a time lapse of like just this. It's like really nice. So I'm gonna try to do that right now. Alright. Alright, so I'm here with my sister. What do you have to say? Alright. Bye. What we have? There's so many people fishing. If this video gets 10 likes, I'm gonna go fishing. That's yeah. Alright, I think we're gonna head back to the car, and I think we're going to go party or like have a little meeting. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the car right now. Alright, so it's 4th of July, and like all of the fireworks have gone. It's like past 8, so yeah, I'll get some footage of it. It's gonna be dope.
looking at the frame, they don't see my vision. Pictures always change, but I stay on my mission, got the same goal. They ain't feeling what I'm doing, but I'm coming at them from a different angle. This is real life, you don't know what I feel like. Got a lot of voices in my ear, wanna hear right. You must think it's all good, cause I smile. I'm the only one that knows I ain't laughed in a while. Come talk to a wizard, and if you ain't with it, well, you can get to stepping. You can love me when it's easy, when it's not, you get to stepping. It'll come back and just turn into a blessing. Cause God is so good, God is so good, God is so good. How can I say it, no, how can I not?